Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade specifically designed for the Dell OptiPlex 7010 micro form factor. This is the parts quick 16GB DDR4 3200MHz SODIMM RAM module. If you're looking to boost the performance of your compact Dell machine, this could be a fantastic option. The OptiPlex 7010 Micro is a popular choice for its small size and decent processing power, but like many small form factor PCs, it can sometimes be limited by its RAM. This 16GB module aims to address that, providing a significant increase in memory capacity for smoother multitasking and improved application performance. This particular module is a DDR4 SODIMM, which is the correct type for the OptiPlex 7010 Micro. It operates at a speed of 3200 MHz, which is a respectable speed for DDR4 memory. The module is a 260-pin SODIMM, running at a voltage of 1.2 V. One of the key selling points is its guaranteed compatibility with the Dell OptiPlex 7010 Micro form factor. This takes the guesswork out of the upgrade process, ensuring that the module will work seamlessly with your system. It's always reassuring to have that compatibility confirmed up front. The fact that it's backed by a lifetime warranty from PartsQuick is another major plus. This demonstrates confidence in the product's reliability and provides peace of mind for the end user. Knowing that you have toll-free technical support available if you encounter any issues is also a valuable benefit. Furthermore, this memory module is RoHS and halogen-free, which is great for those who are environmentally conscious. It shows that the manufacturer is taking steps to reduce the environmental impact of their products. In terms of real-world performance, upgrading to 16 GB of RAM can make a noticeable difference, especially if you frequently work with multiple applications open at the same time, or if you're dealing with large files or demanding software. Tasks like video editing, photo manipulation, and even gaming can benefit from the increased memory capacity. The installation process should be relatively straightforward, as SODIMM modules are designed for easy installation in laptops and small form factor PCs. However, it's always a good idea to consult your Dell OptiPlex 7010 Micro's manual for specific instructions on how to install memory modules. Overall, the PartsQuick 16GB DDR4 3200MHz SODIMM RAM module appears to be a solid upgrade option for the Dell OptiPlex 7010 Micro form factor. Its guaranteed compatibility, lifetime warranty, and focus on environmental responsibility make it a compelling choice for anyone looking to improve the performance of their compact PC.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.